Hello everybody, Ferdar here with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to make metal in Blender 2.8. Now, a lot of things have changed in Blender 2.8. Right now I'm in the beta release of it, well, the testing, a build of it. So everything's gonna look different when it's actually released. So okay, let's just start with the tutorial. Now first I'm just gonna add a sphere, gonna subdivision surface. We're just gonna move this, and there we should have something good. And now I don't know, there's no rendering yet supported in this. You can't render. Why can't you render yet? So maybe if I select the camera. No, rendering right now isn't there, so now we're just gonna have to use EV. There, now everything's in real time. Well, and now we're going to go into shading. Yay. Okay, yay. And now the principled shader is there by default, which is nice. And select. Just wondering how I can smooth out. There it is. I think that's how. Okay, there. Now do your stuff. Make it metallic. Okay. We don't need specular, no roughness, because metal actually doesn't have any roughness. And now you see this? This is metal, but it looks horribly smooth, like Darth Vader's mask from episode 5. Like, it doesn't look like the mask, but the material of it looks sickly sweet. Okay, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, I'm back. So turns out I tried to get some metal textures, but I can't. But you can. So I'm just gonna show you anyway. You're just gonna have to shift a image texture. Just go inside it, open it, connect it to the base color, and you're just gonna have to UV unwrap. Then all you're gonna have to do is just search another one, search the normal map up, connect it, and add a normal map. But I can't do that, so I'm gonna have to stick with this crap. Really sickly shiny. And I can't do anything to improve it. Everything is ruined. Everything is ruined. See, this is metal. So I hope you thoroughly enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. I really hope that Blender 2.8 is going to be better when it's officially released. Goodbye.